Hi students, welcome to MR Chemistry classes. Today I am going to explain N plus L rule. You see now, N plus L rule. Here N is principal quantum number. N is equal to principal quantum number. L is equal to azimuthal quantum number. N is equal to principal quantum number and L is equal to azimuthal quantum number. This N indicates orbit number. L indicates shape of the orbitals. For L values, orbitals and L values, you see now, for S orbital, L value is 0. For P orbital, L value is 1. For D orbital, L value is 2. For F orbital, L value is 3. Based on N plus L values, the sum of N plus L values, we are going to decide the lower energy and higher energy of orbitals. You see now, here two conditions are there. Case 1. Among all orbitals, the orbitals which are having lower N plus L values, sum of N plus L values, that orbital having lower energy. Which is having more N plus L values, that orbital having more energy. For example, 4s and 3d orbital you may take. For 4s orbital, here N value is 4. For S orbital, L value is, for S orbital, L value is 0. So L is equal to 0. Here N plus L value, sum of N plus L, N is equal to 4, L is equal to 0. So this value is 4. For 3d orbital you may take N is equal to 3, L is equal to, for d orbital 3d, d orbital, for d orbital L value is 2. N plus L, sum of N plus L value, N is equal to 3, L is equal to 2. So 3 plus 2 that equal to 5. Here sum of N plus L value is 4. Here in 3D, N plus L value is 5. Which orbital having more energy now? Sum of N plus L value is 4s is 4. Sum of N plus L value of 3D is 5, means this is having more value. That's why among these 4s and 3D orbital having more energy and 4s orbital having less energy. So the electrons are enter into which orbital first? The electrons are enter into lower energy of orbital first. Among the 4s and 3D, now which is having lower energy? 4s orbital having lower energy. So the electrons are entering to 4s orbital first. This is case 1. Like that, case 2 is there. You see. For example, 4f and 5d orbitals you may take. For 4f orbital, N value is 4. For f orbital, L value is 3. For f orbital, L value is 3. n plus L. N is equal to 4. L is equal to 3. 4 plus 3 value is 7. For 5d orbital, n value is 5. This is the n value. D orbital is there. For d orbital, L value is 2. So n plus L value, n is equal to 5 and L is equal to 2. 5 plus 2, 7. These two orbitals are having same n plus L values. Now, which orbital having lower energy and which orbital having more energy, students? The orbital which is having lower n value, that orbital having lower energy. So, among these two, here n value is 4, here n value is 5. Which orbital having lower n value? 4f orbital having lower n value. That's why here 4f orbital having lower energy than 5d orbital. So the electrons are enter into which orbital now? 4f orbital or 5d orbital? This is having lower n value. That's why the electrons are enter into 4f orbital first and 5d orbital next. So this is case 2. Two rules you have to remember. First rule is the orbital which is having lower n plus L value, that orbital having lower energy. In case 2, if both orbitals are having same n plus L values, then lower n value of orbital having lower energy. These two cases, based on these two cases, we are going to decide the lower energy of orbital. Thank you.